everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Balcony Bounty. If you're new here, my name is Candace. I make videos about growing plants and vegetables on my balcony garden. Today I just wanted to do a quick video digging up these carrots behind me. I actually planted the carrots 6 months ago on April 30th. The day I'm filming this is Halloween. Happy Halloween. It's October 31st. This is the carrots. They are Baker Creek New Kuroda. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but these are the carrots. So let's dig them up. Okay, we'll just go along this wall. This one looks pretty small. This one also looks kind of small. Very small. This one looks bigger. Oh yeah, bringing a lot of soil with it. I probably should have gloves on, but I love the dirt. All right. I think that's our biggest so far. Modest size, kind of like the size of a baby carrot you buy in the store. Another baby carrot sized one. Another small one. Oh, this was two for one. This one looks pretty big. It's right, this one's right next to the asparagus. Pretty good size. Oh, I think that's it for this side. So when I originally planted these, I planted carrots like on this side and that side, and I had beets in the middle. Only got one beet from those, and the rest just didn't grow, so I dug them up. This one has a lot of greens. Oh, it was deep too. Nice. We have our biggest. Okay, this one looks like it's a pretty good size too. Oh yeah. Yeah. Had nice loose soil too, which is good to help with your carrots. The tops are so tangled, I'm just gonna have to kind of rip them. I think I ripped up this little one that didn't grow. This one seems like it's pretty good too. I think this was the good side. These two seem a little smaller here. This one, and then this one next to it. That one looks big. I think we should save that one for last. This one looks tiny. That one looks pretty big too. We'll save that. The anticipation. Starting to split. Okay. Cleared away some of the tops so we can see this last bit. Oh, this one's thicker one. This one looks like it's kind of small. Oh, longer. They're a little bulbous. And we're tangled in the asparagus a little bit here. Okay. Same thing, this one's like skinnier at the top. Flatter at the bottom. Got about 4 more to go. This one looks like it's gonna be small. Shape to this one. Almost looks like something was chewing on it. Very small one here. Two more. Let's see if we save the best for last. I should say the biggest for last. Decent size. Again, it looks like something may have nibbled, or that's just the way it grew. And the last one. Last two, I didn't even realize that little one was next to it. Not bad. Oh wait, I missed actually 2 more. This one's didn't quite grow. And this one. Another kind of bulbous shaped one. Here are the final results. Pretty good harvest. I think for being grown in a container, that was a pretty good size. For the ones that did grow. Had a few little duds, but it's okay. Alright, I think I will roast some of these and maybe steam some and make sort of like a curried carrot dip or something like that. Maybe mix it up with some white beans. Serve it with some pita or other warm bread. Sounds good. Alright. right, thank you guys. Thanks for watching another video. Please like the video. Let me know if you've ever grown carrots, if you have any tips for when I grow carrots in the future. And subscribe to my channel and definitely come back for more videos. Bye.